Hi everybody, my name is Jasmine and I will be singing Jasmine Sullivan in Love With Another Man. If I could forget him, I would. Please believe me, and I know that I should throw the towel in, but baby, it's not that easy. Hey, yeah, you treat me so much better than him. And if I would say there'd be no competition, no, but I'm in love with someone else. Thank you.